आयज आमी अरावंड 4500 सिग्नेचर कॅम्पेन करून मागलेले आहा की आमकां मास्टर प्लॅन जाय म्हणून ओल्ड गोवा. That a lot of projects are coming up in the vicinity of Old Goa, which is a UNESCO site. So for that reason, without the master plan, we will not know. Henceforth, we require a master plan. And this is the appeal of 4,500 people.
आमी हांगा सगळे एकठांय जाले आमगे ऑपोजिशन सांगपाक आनी मुखार काडपाक आख्या गोंयच्या लोकांच्या नांवानूय बी की आमकां हे इलिगलिटीज पळय जाताय ओल्ड गोवा ती आमकां नाकाय म्हण आनी हे इलिगॅलिटीज बंद करता जाल्यार पयलीं आमकां मास्टर प्लॅन जावं. हे आतांचें न्हू हो डिमांड जायत वर्सांचो, मे बी 10 years ऑल्सो, आय डोंट नो. Means people are talking. It was brought up in the Gram Sabhas, but nothing is happening because it looks like there is no intention in getting this master plan. Because if this master plan comes up, all these illegalities will not come up. They cannot come up. And I see that most of these illegalities are done through the government.